Yeah guys, if some people have problem of her channel, PM me and my AJ. 11 PM her. 11 and Canada. Okay. You sleep now, Sir Jan? Me, I'm here in Saudi Arabia, Sir Jan. Saudi Arabia. You are Muslim, Sir Jan? Because I don't know, I'm not seeing your face. Like, your face is like an Turkish. Turkish. Hello, RF. Each. Hello, my friend. How are you? I cannot open anymore. So I want thank you. I make, I cannot open now my channel because I open some channel. Yes, I make check. Check anyang payments. Don't forget. Biglang shout out host and everyone in the chat box. Thank you, RFH. Appreciate it. And the one of my friend guess this Mamilo. Mamilo is not showing also her channel. What I will do? I will go in her channel and in her address. Indonesia 9:59 AM now. Oh, 9 for you. This one for me. Yeah, I put already English. Location Saudi. Ay location din ako niyo sa Philippines siguro. Not now because I'm here in Saudi Arabia. If I'm in Philippines, that time I will put Philippines. 6 o'clock now. Naunsa? Kaya to. Unsa man che? Ang unsa? Archie, shut out. Watch up, mananap. Yeah, just I will shut out for my super chatter of my channel. And I will end na guys, okay. I want to rest little. Mamula ka, wala. Ha? Kuan katong kang mamilo ba? Mamilo? Naadi ko ka mamilo ato diri ah. Ug katong isa ka channel wala gid siya nakapasar sa appeal kay ihang video kulangan jud ang video nila. Ana ko 5 minutes ang gihimo 39 seconds ra asa man 5 minutes. Karon na ay isa ka to si RRFA TV and barin man day na siya. Pag-uli din ako, pag-uli din ako sa Pilipinas, I have big surprise. Thank you for the sponsor. Big kuan. Kay Mamilo, wala po dag showing iyahang kuan join buton kay Mamilo. Malaksi ni ron akong naksuon. Thank you sa ako sa super chatter na ako kay palitan patag saging utro.